In this tutorial, we will show you how to delete call history on your iPhone. Whether you want to clear out old call records or protect your privacy, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step approach to delete call history on your iPhone. Let's get started. Tap on the Phone app icon on your iPhone's home screen. At the bottom of the Phone app screen, tap on the Recents tab. This will display your call history. If you see a call that you want to delete, just swipe that call from right to left. The Delete button will appear. If you swipe till the end, the call will be deleted. That's it. You deleted a call. But what if you want to delete all calls? Tap on the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Select. A list of options will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the Clear option to delete all call history from your iPhone. A confirmation window will appear. Tap on the Clear All Recents button to confirm that you want to delete all call history. Also in this mode, you can delete individual calls. If you only want to delete specific call records, tap on the red circle next to each call you want to delete. Then, tap on the Delete button that appears. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted call history on your iPhone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.